Below represents the number of minutes Francisco spends at the gym each day for a week. Does the data shown below represent values of a function? Explain. To determine if it's a function, we first need to see if the input repeats. None of those inputs repeat, which means each input matches up with exactly one output. So this is a function. Can the table in number 2 represent a function? Notice the 8 repeats and the 9 repeats. This 9 gets matched up with an 11, and this 9 gets matched up with 28. This 8 gets matched up with 15, and that one gets matched up with 24. This is not a function. The output, or the input, 9 matches up with 2 different outputs. The input 8 also has 2 outputs. To be a function, they can only have one output. If it repeats, it has to be the same output the second time. Olivia examined the table of values shown below and stated that a possible rule to describe this function could be y equals negative 2x plus 9. Is she correct? And explain. If I take negative 2 and I multiply it by negative 4 and add 9, am I going to get 17? Negative 2 times negative 4 is 8, and 8 plus 9 is 17. Now we're going to check if 0 in the x position gives us that value. Negative 2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 9 is 9. So far, it's working. Negative 2 times positive 4 plus 9. That would be negative 8 plus 9, and that is 1. So that one's also going to work. Negative 2 times 8 plus 9. Negative 2 times 8 is negative 16. Negative 16 plus 9 is negative 7. And then we're going to check the rest of the values. That would be negative 24 plus 9, which is negative 15. Negative 2 times 24 is negative 48, and negative 48 plus 9 is negative 39. So yes, this rule does describe the function. And our explanation is all of our work, showing that it equals that when we put that input in, we get those outputs.